This has now been repaired and working perfectly. Can you update listings? Model 69 plate Peugeot Boxer 2.2 335 BlueHDi 140S and S6 SPEED Pro L2H2 VAT included. Body white, panel van. Mileage 157335 MOT. The 21st of October 2024. Engine 2179 CCDW12 BlueHDi 140. Transmission 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts perfect, runs perfect, gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect, pulls in every gear, starts and drives brilliantly, no warning lights on the dash. Very well maintained vehicle. Grin condition summary: bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Well looked after van. Features: 1 former keeper, part service history, parking sensors, cruise control, air con, electric windows, sat-nav. EU status: Euro 6 HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more